Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm doing a little video here on something I just got in the mail. I'd call it an unboxing, but I actually already opened the box up, so we'll call it an unpacking of the contents. It's not going to be really a review because there's other reviews out there, and I'm just merely opening this thing up and letting you guys see what comes with it. And what it is a cleaning kit for your CamelBak hydration reservoir. I need one of these. I've been using my CamelBak quite a lot over the last 6 months, and I always try to drain it, hang it so it doesn't get nasty, but a while back I forgot to do that, and anyways, it got a little nasty. You can taste it tastes like a little mildew in there. So I said, you know what? I have to clean this thing. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here's what the box looks like. And I got this off Amazon for 20 bucks. And there's the back. Alright, and there's the contents. So we have some little cleaning tabs. It only comes with 2 of these. I wish it came with more, but you can always use a little bleach, or I would say vinegar helps. I think it's mildewy, because bleach, from what I understand, doesn't kill mildew, but vinegar does. Or you could even just use a little 50-50 water and hydrogen peroxide and let it soak and run through your tube. And then it comes with this awesome little snake for cleaning out the tube. That is going to come in handy. And then just this brush here for getting down into the reservoir itself and scrubbing any nasties that are in there out. And then it has these arms, and these arms actually go, and I actually don't have my reservoir on me, but they go on the little handle here, or this little deal here, and snap in, and they just kind of squeeze the middle of it to help open it up so you can get airflow in there. And you have this deal here, which your tube snaps onto here, and then this is where the hydro pack actually rests, and then you can hang it like a coat hanger in a well ventilated area. So anyways, I mainly was just doing this video to show you guys what comes with the kit. There are tons of other videos on how to clean your reservoir, so check those out. And yeah, alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll have another video out hopefully soon. Alright, take care.